First of all, let me just say, I cannot believe I'm on camera with my hair looking like this. This is my natural hair. I have it in one, and I don't know. My sister says it looks nice and it looks cute, and oh my god, I don't know. I'm still getting used to it. But today's video is going to be my January, February, March. Jesus God. March, my March favorite. Ooh, girl. Memory though. So I don't have a lot of favorites for this month. I feel like I've spoken about everything that I'm just like gagging over for the past couple of months, so I don't have much that I'm gagging over now. The chocolate bar palettes, they're okay, but I'm not quite sure if they're like, I love them to the point where they need to be in a favorites video. So let me just jump right into this. Oh, and my favorites video from this point forward will no longer be centered around the makeup, but around other items that I have been loving for that specific month. So the first thing, having said that, I'm going to talk about this, and it's kind of an empty, but you have a little bit left in there, just that it water and a little bit shaked up. Use it 2-3 more times. Yeah. So this is Beautiful Day, and it's a shower gel, and it's by Bath and Body Works. Bruh, this is so, it smells so refreshing. It smells appley as well. It has you can smell the apples in it, which makes sense. It's shea and vitamin E, and of course have a green apple right there. I don't know why I'm smiling, I'm literally blushing, but this smells so good. I love it. And until I say gone really that month it did, they kind of up here, so I'm until I say just use out and beer things. So yeah, so definitely Beautiful Day shower gel by Bath and Body Works. Then it is my J Shea Essential Oils. Bruh. Let me tell you what I use this for. I have stretch marks. I use it for my stretch marks, because you guys know that I'm pregnant now, so I'm getting stretch marks in places I never thought that I could stretch, that I could have marks that stretched. But I've been using this, and in 1 week, I keep on moving the thingy, sorry. In 1 week, I saw a difference. I'm looking at my legs right now. In 1 week, the ones that go all the way down my thighs, they're gone. Now I have some more that's closer up to my thighs that it's taking a while for them to go, but they're fading. And I used to use this every single day. I'm like, oh girl, this is some nice crack. But I stopped. I use it every other day now. And I've recently begun using this on my face. Today, I did a makeup tutorial today. This is what I have underneath my makeup. And it's just one pump, and I warm it up in my hands, rub it all over my hands, all over, then whatever's left on my hands, I just go all over my face. I love it. I love the smell of it. I use it in my hair. I use it all over the place, bro. I'm using some of my edges, but I stopped using some of my edges. I used my edges for like probably a week, and I stopped because I'm like, alright then, stop. You have to wait for your subscriber who's going to win, so that you guys can go on this hair journey together. Okay, so yeah. I can't believe I'm on camera with my hair like this. Anyway, yeah, so loving, like jazzy, boo. Jazzy, you did the darn thing, okay? You did it, boo, did it. Hair, skin, nails, bruh, y'all got shop run? Oh. Then the next thing is I think this is the oatmeal soap. I honestly don't know what kind of soap this is, but this is from Bubble Babes. I have been using this on my face every single day since I've gotten it, and it's still there. It is still there. Okay, so it's used down somewhat, but I still have a good amount left. Now honestly I can't tell you what these things in here, I think it's seaweed, I don't know what these things in here are, but I use this to exfoliate my face. So I get my face damp, and I literally just rub the soap on my face, all over my face, and I wash it off. Sometimes I have it sit, you know, we stay black people, you know, we just make it sit down a little bit for our skin. I would say the longer it sit down, the more work it do. So it sits on my face, and I love it. It leaves my face. I use this especially in the mornings, when like when I just wake up, I'm gonna go wash my face. I'm gonna let it just freshen up my face, it freshen up my skin, it cool down your face. John, now start the thing up. I love it. Love it. Alright, what else? I'm going to have some one little perfume I have, bra. You guys know this Nicki Minaj perfume. This is the first one that she had, right? Excuse me, first one. And I was not really expecting to love this as much, because if you're watching my perfume haul, I was like, this smells like sweetie, and it's kind of comparable to the Prada Candy in terms of it has that sweet smell. And I was like, I don't know if I'm going to love it, bruh. I've been using the heck out of this, and I'm very afraid to throw it out just because of, like, I mean, you can't beat this packaging with a stick. Thanks nature, that's your thought, boo-boo. But you can't beat this package with a stick. And I love the smell, I love the packaging, and it's finished. I don't have any more left in there, but I'm just like, I don't know if I want to throw it out. I don't know. I don't know, the girl have a lipstick, huh? Which perfume no wear lipstick? I don't know. So let's move into the makeup stuff. Yeah, I forgot to turn that look a bit wrong till I'm done. So I have 4 brushes that I want to talk to you guys about, and these 4 brushes are by Sedona Lace. So the very first one is the 928 brush, and this is a part of their they have pink bristles. I forgot the name. By the way, I have a discount code. Back to juice. I have a discount code in the description bar below for you guys if you want a discount when you're purchasing from Sedona Lace. Just use the what's it called, discount code Jamaican makeup artist. But anyway, so yeah, so this is what I use to go all over my face with my foundation. Use it today. Love it. I love how first of all, I love flat top brushes because I just feel like it gets all over the skin. It's even like, that's just how I feel about it. So the longevity, the durability of these brushes are truth. I've had brushes, some other brushes that I've had longer than Sedona Lace, and that's coming up in another video. Do you see me smiling? Okay, fine, whatever. So this is a 928 brush, and I love it for powders, liquids, creams, whatever you call, whatever you want to use it for. Then this is the FBO5 blush. Love this for blush only. You can use it for foundations as well, but for me personally, blush only. I love it. Then I have the 602, and I love to use this to go underneath with my bend eye or whatever highlighting powder I'm using for that day. I love just going underneath. Yes, honey. I love how it's angled. So it goes up on an angle, so it fits right up in there as well. Right up in there. Then last but not least, and it's rubbed off, but this is from their Luxe Essential line, and it's 4 of them. This is the LBO5. Yeah, LBO5 brush, and I love this for highlights. I just feel like it fits perfectly right there, like perfect. I love this for highlight. I used to use this for blush as well, but now it's just straight highlight, man. Just like straight highlight. Just 2 more and then I'm done. My Avon Pressed Powder 1205 Mocha. Now look there, I mean say it pan and it pan say me. I have to go to York Pharmacy, because I'm not York Pharmacy out here in Jamaica, of course. They sell Avon Pressed Powders. I forgot how much this thing is just like a gift. I forgot how much I loved this pressed powder, and I was like, I started like, oh, let me just try it, bruh. I love it so much. So I will be picking up some more, and I want to pick some up for my kids as well, but I'm not quite sure. But definitely, bruh, definitely for myself, yeah. And last but definitely not least, I used it in my tutorial today, my MAC Pro Longwear in NC50. Now I had this a long time ago. I doubt you guys remember, but I had it a really long time ago, and I did that was a long time ago too. So I'll do another comparison video between this and the ELF Cocoa Foundation. Listen to me, this, I mean, I just got it recently, like probably a couple days ago, but this, because I've used it before, I love it. Dries matte. It is, it's buildable. Because also this is medium to full coverage, and this is all I'm wearing. I'm not wearing my where is it? Yeah, you know how I love my Prep and Prime, right? The in Peach Luster, the orange one. So you know, I put these on my hyperpigmentation, on my acne scarring, and that's what I do. Then I put on my foundation, and I don't have that underneath. I'm just wearing this. Then you'll see in the video, but I'm just wearing this for my foundation. This is it, and I'm in the color NC50, which is weird because NW, I know it's too warm for me, which I'm just like, that's interesting. That's interesting. So yeah, I mean, I can't rave. It's it's like 30 milliliters, 1.0 fluid ounce. I mean, it's not that big at all. It's actually quite small. Well, I think it's quite small. Let me see if, okay, so you guys know the size of these shower gels. Let's see if we can do like a comparison. You see, so it's small. To me, it's small. But yeah, so yeah, this is the last thing in my favorites video. I want to thank you guys so much for sticking around to the end, for watching this makeup tutorial. I think, is it live now? No, it's not live as yet. It's not live as yet. It's going to be live in a couple of days. But yeah, so I guess I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for your support, you guys. You guys rock, and bye.